Going on, everybody? It's Mike from MK Motorsports, and today I've got another little easy repair fix for some of the Gen 4 block guys. So let's show you what we got going on. So the Gen 4 blocks have the DOD, or displacement on demand, or whatever that other process is where it kills the cam lifters and such. Here's the valley cover I've got. Now I bought this block, didn't realize it was a Gen 4 until after it was all machined, and so I've run into issues with low oil pressure sometimes. So those gaskets have actually just been replaced here just recently, but I've seen the thing where you get the A37 bearing and take the rollers out and drive them into the oil port holes. So I'll show you what we're working with today. So here's the old bearing cage. This is just a simple A37. See if that'll pick up the number there. But that's a LM603049 if you want just the bearing itself. Here's the rollers. I actually stuck these in the fridge, in the freezer, to shrink them down a little bit, which I don't know how well that's going to help or not, but that's them right there. So let's get these put in. I'll show you what it takes. So it doesn't take a whole lot to get these things to go in. Set it in with the little dimple in the top. Go ahead and put my other handful of these in. Take you a punch or a drift, and give them a couple whacks till they're about flush, and boom, that's it. They're done. So anyway, guys, quick tutorial on how to plug up those DODs very simply without having to drill and tap, pull the cam and all that stuff. That's just a simple $14 bearing at O'Reilly's. Off the shelf, no special order. Just get them, cut your cage, and grab your rollers, throw them in the freezer for a couple hours, pull your intake and cover off, and throw them in there. Hammer them in flush, and you're good to go. So I hope this helps. We'll catch y'all next time. See ya.